Hi, David with Rapid Materials here. Today we're going to talk about the snow diverter from LMCurbs. A lot of folks have had a problem in the past when you get a heavy snow load. It likes to take and push a vent pipe off of your roof. The snow diverter solves that problem for you. Snow diverter comes in 4 different styles. Depending what kind of roof panel you have, you're going to select the appropriate part. This one's a 1624, which is designed to fit standing seam panels that have a panel width of 16 to 24 inches. It comes with a snow diverter. It comes with 2 S5 seam clamps of your choice, and of course the S5 hardware and a driver bit. The only other things that you'll need to put this together are going to be some kind of a wrench. We have this big overkill adjustable today, and a screw gun. So for this demonstration, we're going to use our pipe boot demonstration device that we made a while back. It's not elaborate, but it'll do the job. The panel's about 16 inches wide, and we're going to take the snow diverter and we're going to install it uphill at about that location. Pretty simple. So shall we begin? Get our screw gun ready. We're going to go ahead and get the set screws into our clamps so they're ready. 2 set screws for each clamp. Looks like the folks at LM sent us an extra set screw and an extra couple of bolts. That's always good. And then we're going to place these strategically on our panels. First, I'm just going to lightly snug this into place just to get it close but not sliding around. And we'll do one on this side. So now we're going to set this on here. What we want to do is line it up with one of the bolt holes on the top of our clamp. And we're going to use the ones at the top of each clamp. I just want to bring this down where it's a little bit snug. We'll do this one over here. And once we have it there, then we should snug down our bolts with our giant wrench. My suggestion is when you're actually up on the roof doing this, that you get a nice 14mm wrench and carry it up with you, because a big wrench like this is not fun. Snow goes down pretty tight. I'm guessing the torque range is going to be somewhere, probably around 25 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Remember, you're going into aluminum, but you want them snug enough that they're not going to back out. If you're so inclined, you can put a little Loctite on it. And once again, we just want to make sure it hasn't moved around. We kind of like it where it's at, and we're going to finish running our set screws in. So that's all there is to installing an LM snow diverter. It's pretty simple. It requires only a couple of basic tools. Doesn't take any time at all. And this will keep your vent pipes from coming off the roof and from breaking and give you some really costly repairs. And that's all I have to say about that. Thanks for watching our video today. For more great videos, visit rapidmaterials.com or our YouTube channel.